Ceiling fans are a popular way to provide comfort and circulate air throughout the rooms. By adding a universal ceiling fan light kit, your fan becomes a source of warm, inviting light, enhancing the ambiance of any space. Combining a ceiling fan with a light kit creates a multifunctional design serving your cooling and lighting needs. This can be especially practical in rooms where space is limited. Many light kits use either energy-efficient LED bulbs or integrated LED light sources. Some integrated LED fans offer customizable color temperature options, letting you choose between warm and cool lighting to create the desired ambiance. Integrated LED light kits often contribute to a modern and streamlined aesthetic, eliminating the separate appearance of a traditional light fixture attached to the fan. Many light kits are designed to enhance the visual appeal of the ceiling fan. They come in various styles, finishes, and shapes, allowing you to customize the fan's look to complement your decor. Light kits improve the versatility of a ceiling fan, allowing you to control the lighting and airflow independently. You can choose to use only the fan, only the light, or both, providing flexibility based on your needs. Some ceiling fan light kits include features like dimming options or remote control capabilities, allowing you to customize the lighting experience based on your preferences. Before adding a light kit, make sure your ceiling fan is compatible and follow the manufacturer's guidelines for installation to ensure safety and proper functionality. A ceiling fan light kit is a simple yet transformative way to brighten your space and elevate your home decor. Progress Lighting is committed to creating luxury lighting fixtures that become the statement, the art piece, and the focal point of your home. With over a century of lighting technology, leadership, and engineering, we manufacture the highest quality, energy-efficient lighting fixtures that are beautiful, offer stellar performance, and are easy to install.